Okay, everybody, I'm back. Right over there is the river. And I'm not going to look down, but I'll let you look down because I don't like looking down. But I'm 4th floor up. And this is where JoAnn lives. And I'll show you her plants, and they're doing really good. They have a pepper plant right there. I'm not sure which one it is. This is her green pepper plant. And then she has, I have to back up a little bit, 3 tomato plants and a cayenne pepper plant over there. They're all looking good. She said she's already picked 1 cayenne pepper off of there. Looks to me like I need to do some sucker in here maybe, so I'm going to get that going. I just want to show you all what she's done. She's doing good so far. We'll come back later and do an update. But I'm going to get out of here. Just want to show you a little bit around where she lives. Over there, in the opening over there, that is the Riverfront Park from Huntington, West Virginia. There's a Red Cross right there. And that building way over there, right there, is the nursing home. No, the white building right there. Sorry about that. That's the nursing home where Mom was before she passed away. But anyhow, I'm going to get off here and we will talk to y'all later. Y'all take care. Stay safe. Bye.